Fi enw I yw John Mark Frost, a dwi'n gweithio am y BBC yn Cymru. Ond ar y glin hyn, dwi'n un o'r aelodau'r bwrdd am CDPS. I really enjoy the breadth of the work that CDPS does, being able to be involved and, from my perspective, being able to make a difference. So something that I can contribute my skills and experience to and to make a difference for the people using public services in Wales. Yeah, so I've been a board member for almost 2 years now, and I've learned a huge amount, both in terms of digital in a different context. So I was a civil servant and now working for the BBC, but broadening that out to wider public services and the work that CDPS does. How they do it, some of the brilliant skills and techniques like trio writing, and it's just a real privilege to be able to work for an organisation that does that work in English and in Welsh and seeking to improve those public services. Well, we're a great bunch of people, and it will be a great opportunity for us to have somebody with that finance expertise to come and work with us. If you're interested in the work of CDPS, but also interested in kind of maybe a future board role and gaining that experience yourself, this would be a fantastic opportunity. As I said, we're a nice bunch, and we're just seeking someone with that accountancy, finance expertise to be able to advise us on what we should do, what we shouldn't do, and what that might look like. So if you're interested, please do get in touch. The CDPS is a reasonably new organisation. As a board, we came in July 2022. So as part of that, we've been kind of doing the normal kind of getting to know each other, but also setting out the strategy for the organisation, seeing through what that looks like and how that changes over time. But yeah, we get on really well. There's that constructive challenge, working with, as the non-exec directors, with the exec team and the SLT. But overall, we want the best for public service users in Wales. And so we have that jointly in common. And it would be great to have another member of the team join us.